There's a lover's moon tonight as I look back over my soul.
Hello Ibed, welcome ulit sa ating munting channel. Ating reaction video ngayon, Shadow Sweet Notes. Kakantahin nila mag-asawa, Lover's Moon. So start na tayo makarami.
There's a lover's moon tonight as I look back over my soul. All the stars are shining bright, just like the night when they used to hold her. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Lover's moon, won't you shine on me and dancing with the memories. I wish I might have one last chance to hold it tight, waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Hey! Shoutout sa lahat ng mga lovers ngayong gabi. There's a lover's moon tonight, shining down on half of this world. So many souls are in inside. That for me, there's just one girl, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon.
Ayos, natapos na, Lover's Moon. Hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Kung gusto niyo ating munting awitin, paiwanan ko ng like at pasashare na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po. Samang kayo naroon lagi mag-ingat. God bless. Bye-bye.